Cloves are rich in antioxidants, such as phenolic compounds and eugenol, which help protect cells from oxidative stress and free radical damage. Cloves can aid in digestion by promoting the production of digestive enzymes and reducing bloating and gas. Cloves have been traditionally used for oral health due to their analgesic and antiseptic properties. Clove oil is sometimes used to alleviate toothaches and promote oral hygiene. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that can help alleviate chronic inflammation, which is often associated with various diseases. Some studies suggest that curcumin might have neuroprotective properties, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases and supporting cognitive function. Curcumin has shown promise in some studies for its potential to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and interfere with certain stages of cancer development. Ingredients: cloves, turmeric,